Hello and welcome to Inside the Cell, where we have the new stuff for your cells. Are you a busy cell? Are all your activities getting mixed up? Now for just $99.99, you can get the nucleus! The nucleus is called the headquarters of the cell. It controls all of the cell's activities. If your cell running out of ribosomes, well don't worry. For only $89.99, you can get a brand new nucleolus. The nucleolus is a condensed spot of chromatin. It manufactures ribosomes. It is a combination of DNA and histone proteins. It stores the information needed for the manufacture of proteins. Does your DNA need new transportation? Then get the chromosome for only $94.99. A chromosome is a long stringy group of genes that carries hereditary information and is formed from condensed chromatin. Chromosomes are located within the nucleus of the cell. After you are done transporting your DNA, you need something to assemble your proteins. So, for only $94.99, you can get your very own ribosome. Ribosomes are organelles that consist of RNA and proteins. They are responsible for assembling the proteins of the cell. Do you need a place for your protein to synthesize? For only $80, you can get a brand new set of endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and rough endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a series of double membranes that move back and forth between the cell membrane and the nucleus. These membranes fill the cytoplasm, but you cannot see them because they are very transparent. The rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes, while the smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not. Is your cell worn out and tired? Give it a new mitochondria and watch it go! For only $94.99, this mitochondria can be yours! The mitochondria is the powerhouse of a cell. It has a double membrane. Mitochondria have their own DNA and manufacture some of their own proteins. Do you need light for your photosynthesis? Of course you do! The chloroplast is only $74.99. Chloroplast captures light to conserve energy. Chloroplasts are green because they contain a pigment called chlorophyll. Chloroplasts are members of a class of organelles known as plastids. Do you need new containers for that solution in your cell? Well, for only $69.99, a vacuole is a very smart choice. The organelle has no basic shape or size. Its structure varies according to the needs of the cell. When it comes to proteins, no one's better at packaging than the Golgi apparatus. It processes and packages proteins after their synthesis and before they make their way to their destination. It is particularly important in the processing of proteins for secretion. The Golgi apparatus forms a part of the cellular endomembrane, and it can be yours for $44.99. Do you have worn-out organelles that need taken care of? Then get the lysosome for only $59.99. Lysosomes are cellular organelles that contain enzymes to break down waste materials and cellular debris. They are found in animal cells. Lysosomes digest excess or worn-out organelles, food particles, and engulf viruses or bacteria. The membrane around the lysosome allows the digestive enzyme to work at the 4.5 pH level they require. Lysosomes fuse with vacuoles and dispense their enzymes into the vacuoles, digesting their contents. And next we have our cytoplasm. Do you need everything in your cell to be held together? You get the cytoplasm. For only $44.99, cytoplasm is a gel-like substance residing between the cell membrane, forming all the cell's internal substance, except for the nucleus. If your cytoplasm isn't holding up quite well, then get it a brand new cytoskeleton. For only $49.99, the cytoskeleton is a cellular skeleton contained within a cell's cytoplasm and is made up of proteins. The cytoskeleton is present in all cells, and it prevents the cytoplasm from collapsing. Are your cells' organelles spilling out everywhere? Then get a brand new cell wall. The cell wall is the tough, usually flexible, but sometimes fairly rigid layer that surrounds some types of cells. It is located outside the cell membrane and provides these cells with structural support and protection, and also acts as a filtering mechanism. A major function of the cell wall is to act as a pressure vessel, preventing overexpansion when water enters the cell. Does your cell need some new wheels? They get a brand new set of cilia for only $82.99. Cilia is Latin for eyelash. Cilia is common in single-celled organisms. It is a hair-like structure that waves around to move the cell, or to move something around the cell. Some tissues in the human body also have cilia. If the number on your screen is flashing, operators are standing by. So call now.